Welcome once again to my channel. In this video we will talk about that how we can create multiple clones in our laptop, that how we can make multiple browsers of Chrome in our laptop. Before going to start our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open Chrome browser in your laptop. After opening Google Chrome, the Chrome menu will appear. Just have to open Chrome. Now as you can see that I opened my Chrome here, and this is the Chrome interface. Now as you can see here that I already created multiple clones, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and one is original Google Chrome. Means I have 6 clones and one Google Chrome browser. Now I am going to create 7th clone in my laptop. What I have to do, just open your Chrome window, and on the upper right corner you can find a logo, that is current user. Now you just have to click on that. After clicking on that, a new short menu will appear with different options and many things. In this short video, the last option you can see, that is add. Just go there and click on that. After clicking on that, a new menu will appear and they will ask for a name. Add a name or label like work, personal or kids. Here they are asking for a name for your new clone. Now let's say for example I am creating a clone by the name of my Chrome. Now as you can see that I just wrote my Chrome, so this means that if I just click on done option, they will create a Chrome by the name of my Chrome. Now let's have a look on that. Click on done. Now as you can see the new menu appear. After clicking on that, as you can see the name is my Chrome. This is the new clone that I just created. Now I can show you this Chrome on my laptop desktop as well. Just close these windows. As you can see that this is the clone that I created now. This was a simple way that how we can create a new clone of your Chrome browser. Let's make a new one, another one as well. Just open your Google Chrome and open the first one, Chrome. Now again click on current user and just go to add option. After clicking on add, they will ask for name. Let's say for example here I am creating a clone by the name of Asad, right? And click on done. A new menu of new Chrome clone will open. Now if I close this, as you can see here that new clone is created here. This is the new clone. Now in this video I showed you that how we can create clones of your Chrome browser. Now if you want to make many or multiple clones of your Chrome browser, just follow the method, follow the easy step and you will get it. So thanks for watching. Stay connected.